Hey everyone, welcome back! Ever wondered where all those photos, videos, and important documents go when you save them online? It's all thanks to cloud storage. Think of it like a super secure digital locker, but instead of being in your house, it's on powerful computers located all over the world. Here's how it works, step by step. First, when you upload a file, it's sent over the internet to these remote servers. Then, your data is broken down into tiny pieces and stored across multiple locations for safety. This means if one server has an issue, your information is still perfectly safe elsewhere. Finally, whenever you need your files, you simply log in from any device, and the cloud service reassembles your data, making it accessible to you instantly. It's a convenient and reliable way to keep your digital life organized and accessible from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow for more tech insights.